Finland, and for the Audi ice driving experience, and I'll be doing a lap and you will see how much steering input there is and how the car behaves. This is an Audi RS4 R1. Put in the drive manual mode. Off we go for a lap on the ice. The idea is just slide enough, not too much. When you slide too much, it looks very fancy, but you lose a lot of time. You're going more sideways than straight. Slowing down. There's a car in front of you, so I need enough space. It's very important to use the right lines around this, even on the ice surface. It helps you keep the car facing in the right direction. Somebody just spun around in front of us. Waiting. To drive on ice, you have to be extremely precise and smooth and not get carried away. The smoother you are, the better it is. Better to enter slowly and exit fast. The slower you enter, the better exit speed you get. Like a racetrack. It's better to keep it on the track, nice and smooth. And that's the end of the lap. Just completed one lap.